In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get invite to Revolut Business 2025, step by step. We'll walk through the sign-up flow from your first search to the point where your application is under review, with clear tips to help you avoid delays. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. Make sure you're on the official Revolut website before proceeding. You should see an option to create a business account. When you're ready, click Sign Up or Get Started. Both lead you into the business onboarding flow, and the exact wording can vary by region, but the process is the same. You'll be asked to fill out a short registration form, enter your business name exactly as it appears on your official documents, add a reliable email address you check often, and select your country. Choose the correct country where your business is registered, because this affects eligibility, available features, and verification requirements. After submitting that form, head to your email inbox. Look for a message from Revolut Business with an invitation or confirmation link. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or promotions folders and make sure your inbox isn't full. If necessary, use the resend link back on the website. Open the email and click the invite link to continue your account setup. For the smoothest experience, open it on the same device you used to register and ensure you have a stable connection. You'll now provide your personal details, including your name, your role in the business, and a contact number. Enter information exactly as it appears on your ID and use a phone number you can access for potential verification codes or follow-up. Next, enter your business details. Provide your company registration number, registered business address, and your industry type. Keep these consistent with your official records and choose the most accurate industry description so the review team can validate your activity quickly. Continue when everything looks correct. Take a moment to review spellings and numbers before moving forward, since small errors can slow the process. You'll be prompted to upload business verification documents. Common examples include a certificate of incorporation or other proof of business registration. Ensure documents are clear, complete, and legible, with all pages included. Avoid cropped images and use standard file formats. If your document includes multiple pages, upload them all. Once submitted, wait for Revolut to review your application. Review times can vary depending on your country and business type. Keep an eye on your email for any requests for additional information and respond promptly to keep things moving. That's it. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be on your way to receiving your Revolut Business invite and completing your account setup.